Okay. Good morning. Okay, so are y'all? I gave everybody some gum, and now Katie, I know you don't chew gum, so I've got a different little activity for you. So what we're gonna do, I want everybody to take out their cell phone or a timer. Does everybody have a timer on their cell phone? Paul, does yours have a timer? Okay. And Katie, you're gonna set yours for 20 seconds. Nicole, you're gonna set yours for 30, and Paul, you're gonna set yours for 15. Okay? And you're gonna Nicole and Paul are going to chew the gum, and you're going to blow bubbles, as many bubbles as you can blow for the time that you're allowed. And then Katie, you're going to say the alphabet as many times as you can in that time limit, okay? You ready? Everybody got their set? How long are you?
15 seconds.
How long are you? Alright, yeah, everybody's different. And how long are you? 20. Alright, ready? Set, go! Okay, now take a pencil and write down however long you said, or you said the alphabet, however long how many bubbles you blew. Just write it down somewhere so you can remember. Okay. Do you remember last time we talked about rates and unit rates? Do you guys remember what rates are? Anybody?
It's how much something is over a unit of time or distance.
Very good, Paul. Is how the rate definition is a comparison of two numbers with different units. So in this case, your rate was how many bubbles you blew over the amount of seconds. How many times you said the alphabet in the amount of seconds. And so why do you think I gave each of you different time limits?
So we would have different numbers.
Yes, because if I gave each of you 30 seconds, then we would already know once we find the unit rate, the time over 1 minute, we would already know who said the most or who blew the most bubbles, right? Okay, so we're going to come back to this at the end of our lesson after we know how to solve unit rates, and we're going to figure out who said the most or who blew the most bubbles in 1 minute. We're going to convert your 30 seconds, 15 seconds, or 20 seconds to the minute. Sound good? Alright, so first let's dive in and see what we're going to talk about today. Our standards are we're going to solve unit rate problems, including those involving unit pricing and constant speed. May sound a little frightening, but we're going to learn what constant speed and unit pricing is, and we're going to be able to solve problems with that. And then we're going to use variables to represent numbers and write expressions when solving a real-world or mathematical problem. We're going to understand that a variable can represent an unknown number. And that's the part we're going to focus on. Understand that a variable can represent an unknown number. So right now we've been using question marks when we don't know what the number is. Now we're going to use something called a variable. Sounds weird, but I promise you, you will be fine. Okay? So if you want to follow along with me on your graphic organizer, we're going to go ahead and get started.